What is up, guys? We are on a different bike today. You can say I got myself a little Christmas present. I already broke it. We're gonna take it to a parking lot and practice some wheelies. From the sound and the size, you could probably tell what it is. But I already broke it. As you can see, I'm riding on the rear passenger peg. So this is actually the third day that we've had it. They say to turn left. I think so. Hell yeah, brother. He got himself a little Christmas present too. But yeah, you guys have been talking about you need to get a Grom to practice wheelies, so I got me a little Grom. It's a OG Grom. So I want to do a little series of me learning how to wheelie. So before we get into that, I'll insert the clips of me already wheeling. But this is honestly like one of the most fun I've had on a bike in a long time. I'm gonna go on the sidewalk here. This is not as big as I thought. I'm still recording. So this is a new bike. Hello? This is a new bike. It's a 2015 Honda Grom. It has 17,400 miles on it. It has been sprocketed, so that might not be accurate. The stuff that I did know before, rear tire is bald. It has pro tapers. The clutch has been cut here a little bit, so you can one finger it. I still use two fingers because that's what I'm used to on the Beamer. Now I did loop it already, so the taillight is broken. And the foot peg on the left side is broken, and then this got bent, but I bent it back. But we've been using the back peg. Well, just today I've been riding it using the back peg. But this is what we got. I got this for $1,200. A little practice bike. I already looped it, and yeah. I got a new rear tire coming tomorrow, so we'll get that switched out with some fresh meat. But I just wanted to make this video and let y'all know that I got a new bike. So it's pretty sick. I've had a lot of fun with it already. It has front axle sliders. It has this Amazon muffler. Oop. Moves a little bit. Amazon muffler there. But yeah, that's our little Grom. It's already got sprockets, like I said. I think the guy said it was a 38-2 sprocket. So I'm practicing staggered right now. I don't feel very good, to be honest with y'all. I don't like how the staggered feels. We're practicing some wheelies now. More wheelie content on the channel. That's probably what I'm gonna do, is just keep one foot down and go from a slower speed. So I'm just going back and forth, popping the clutch and tapping the brake. But I'm trying to also get used to keeping my throttle open while I clutch it up. I think that's the biggest thing. Instead of chopping the throttle. Chop the throttle again. I'm just getting used to that brake right after. I'm not trying to be in anyone's way, I'm sorry. I'm just riding, motherfucker. Yeah, so that one hit balance, I think, and I just tapped the brake. But I also chopped the throttle, so I need to get that out of my system. Oh, this is so fun. They also told me to try knee knocker. Nah, I don't know about that, boys. Yeah, we ain't trying that. I like my sit downs. See, I'm still not pressing the brake. I'm just letting the engine brake go down sometimes whenever I get too high. There we go. Keep the throttle open, use the brake. Keep doing it, man. A few more and then I'm going home because my hands My clutch hand hurting. But I think I'm getting it. There we go. Using the brake. Oh, I'm having so much fun, guys. I'm getting up, popping the clutch, braking. I felt balance point on that one. I'm almost there. I almost let go of my foot again, and then I caught myself. Literally, I was coasting. Holy shit. I went to lift my right foot off, and then I just went to jab it, and it went back down. I also let go of the throttle, so that helped too. But that could have been a loop if I should have just been on the brake. I'm gonna hit the brake. There we go. I'm gonna hit the brake. If I just tell myself I'm gonna hit the brake every time before I clutch up, I think it'll help me. Remember, I'm gonna clutch up and then I'm gonna tap the brake. I'm gonna hit the brake. Right. I'm getting higher now that I'm hitting the brake. So, I got someone's trying light. I think that's our time to leave. Time to go.